Good morning, Study 7. I am going to continue chapter 1, the cell. In this video, I am going to explain you the topic plastids and its type. So let us know about an important organelle of the plant cell known as plastid. Plastid an organelle containing pigments. It is covered with double wall membrane. Their shape varies from round to filamentous. So dear student, what do you mean by plastid? Plastid are an organelle containing pigment. Containing pigments. What do you mean by, dear student, pigment? Pigment means color. So an organelle which is responsible to give color to the plant is known as a plastid. It is covered with a double wall membrane. Double wall membrane. You see this diagram? This diagram is of the chloroplast. Dear student, this is a diagram of the chloroplast. So it is being covered with the double membrane. Dear student, it is being covered with the double membrane. You see, first and second, two membrane. So plastid is covered with the double membrane. Their shape varies from round to filament. Means sometimes it can be round, sometimes it can be in the different cell. The shape can be different. Let us know about the type of plastid. So the type of the plastid are first chloroplast. Chloroplast. It is responsible to give green color. Green color to the plant. To the plant. So dear student, let us know about the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a plastid which is responsible to give green color to the plant. Dear student, you know that. What is the function of green color? Green color helps to trap solar energy, and by this energy carbon dioxide and water convert to carbohydrate. So green color is essential to perform a chemical process known as a photosynthesis. Let us know diagram of chloroplast. Dear student, chloroplast is a double wall membrane, and just beneath the membrane there is the liquid medium. There is the liquid medium. So the liquid medium in the chloroplast is known as a stroma. It is known as a stroma, dear student. And you see here flattened piled structure. Flattened piled structure. This piled structure is known as a grana. It is known as a grana, dear student. Now, grana, the piled form is known as a grana. Each unit of the grana is known as a thylakoid. Dear student, each unit of grana is known as a thylakoid. So dear student, two part of the chloroplast. The liquid medium is known as a stroma and the piled form known as a grana. And chloroplast is a double wall membrane which is responsible to give green color to the plant. And green color is essential to trap solar energy which is essential for photosynthesis process, dear student. Next, the next type is chromoplast. Chromoplast is responsible to give all other color except green, blue, violet and purple. Dear student, chloroplast is essential to give all other color except green. Green is associated with the chloroplast, whereas blue, violet and purple are not associated with chromoplast. These colors or the pigment are dissolved in cell sap of vacuole known as anthocyanin. It is known as a anthocyanin. So dear student, blue, violet and purple is associated with anthocyanin, which is dissolved in the cell sap of the vacuole, dear student. So chloroplast is responsible to give all other color except green and blue, violet and purple. As green is associated with the chloroplast and violet, purple and blue are associated with the anthocyanin, which is being dissolved in the cell sap of vacuole. Third, leucoplast. Leucoplast is known as a colorless plastic, dear student. It helps to store store starch. It helps to store starch and present in the roots of the plant. Roots of plants, dear student. So, plastid are of the three type: chloroplast, which is responsible to give green color, and green color is essential to perform photosynthesis. Chromoplast, which is essential to give all other color except green, blue, violet and purple. Whereas leucoplast, which is responsible to store starch, and it is one of the colorless plastid, dear student. So these are the three type of the plastid according to the color, means they are responsible to give different type of the color. So dear student, please you read the topic of the plastid and its type and learn about it. Thank you, dear students.